Welcome back. Now we are entering to the fourth unit. The fourth unit second topic is the transmitters and receivers. Under the transmitters category, there are different types of transmitters. This is the first question. First topic, classification of transmitters. So transmitters is nothing but a modulators. Actually, uh, about three units are deeply discussed at the particular circuitry, AM modulators and FM modulators and SSB and so on. Different types of modulators we discussed in deeply. At that modulators and before and after there is a amplification sections. Um, the entire section actually modulation is done at the modulator, but that modulator signal further fed to the amplifier section and then transmitting through the antennas. That entire section called it as the transmitters. Okay, so first of all there are different types of transmitters are there for better transmission purpose. So here is the classification of transformer. The classification of radio transformers um, based upon the three factors. They are firstly classified as three categories depending upon that following factors. What that factors? Types of modulation. What type of modulation we are used, that is one category. In that category there are some different of transmitters are there. And next, um, type of service involved. What type of service we needed. So it may be a AM or FM transmitter, but a particular it used for the particular service. Under this, the service involved, what type of service involved is the another category of the radio transmitters, and another one is frequency range. So these are basic three classifications depending upon these three factors: type of modulation, service involved, and frequency range. Coming to the in detail by step, the first category, types of modulation. So in this, the based on the type of modulation used in radio transmitters are classified as, means the AM transmitter means amplitude modulation transmitters, and FM transmitters and PM transmitters. There are three types of transmitters under the classification of type of modulation. Okay, these are three types of modulators. Um, First one is amplitude modulator transmitter, AM transmitter. Simply it is called as AM transmitters. Okay, AM transmitter used amplitude modulation technique for modulating the carrier. Okay, these transmitters can be used for generally radio broadcasting, long and medium and short waves. Okay, long wave, medium wave and short wave transmissions uh, in the radio broadcasting. In these days, uh, we are we are not using radio, but in former days, there are no TVs, television systems. In that days, the radio is playing a vital role in that SW, MW, and LW waves are produced during the radio, like a Vijayawada station, Hyderabad station, and Vishaka station, and an Sri Lanka station. In this type, Delhi station. Depends upon that distance. The long and medium and short waves are used. Okay, then the next category is the FM transmitters. Okay, the FM transmitters used the frequency modulation techniques for the modulating the carrier wave. These transmitters can be used for the radio broadcasting in VHF and UHF, very high frequency and ultra high frequency ranges. In transmissions, in radio transmission, there are different for the entertainment purpose only, and other radio broadcastings also there, like wireless transmitting, and in railways, in these type of applications. In that, the frequency ranges are different from the radio broadcasting for the entertainment. Okay, the next type is PM transmitters. In this PM transmitters, pulse modulation techniques are used. It is not a phase modulation, it is the pulse modulation techniques are used over here. So the amplitude of the pulse or width or position may be modulated over the pulse carrier. Okay, this is the pulse modulating transmitters, PM transmitters, AM, FM and PM transmitters. These are generally used in the digital techniques. Okay, transmission of digital data. Next category, which service provided by the transmitters. Under this, the service involved, based upon the service involved, radio transmitters can be classified as following: radio broadcast transmitters, radio telephone transmitters, and radio telegraph transmitters, and television transmitters, radar transmitter, and navigation transmitters. There are six sub category under this classification. Which service is provided? Okay, the radio broadcast transmitters are amplitude modulated or frequency modulated, whatever it is may be. These all techniques are under category of the radio broadcasting. The FM transmitters used for radio broadcasting, and AM transmitters also using for radio broadcasting. So these transmitters are designed for transmitting speeches, talks and music. Just we told just before, entertainment purpose, the conventional radio, that is the radio broadcasting transmitters. The electromagnetic energy is so radiated from the transmitting antenna, the largest number of persons may be able to receive the broadcast with the help of radio receivers. This is the general radio broadcast transmitter simply. Next, radio telephone transmitters. These transmitters are designed for the transmitting the telephone signals over a long distances by means of radio. Okay, the telephone transmitter uses certain special devices as volume compressors, peak limitators, etc. So the radio broadcasting is well known. Under the radio transmitters, the radio telephonic transmitters also there. In this category, the telephonic signals are transmitted. So the transmitting antenna is designed for beaming the electromagnetic energy into a narrow beam directed towards the receiving antenna. These transmitters may be either AM or FM type. These are also used for both AM and FM, whatever modulation techniques will be used. In these techniques, in this broadcasting, the telephonic signals are transmitted using the electromagnetic energies. Okay, next radio telegraph transmitters. In these, the telegraphic signals, in earlier days there are only telegrams and telegraphics. So for that purpose, these telegraphic transmitter in defense sections also, the important messages are transmitted through these telegraphic signals using radio broadcasting. Okay, so this is the telegraphic transmitters are used for the transmit the telegraphic signal from one station to another station. This is also either AM or FM, whatever technique you used, but these are the point to point communication, because point to point means the there must be certain transmitter and certain receiver. Okay, next television transmitters. This television broadcasting, the next generation after the radio, the television transmitter, television broadcasting are present. In that television broadcasting, there are two transmitters for one transmission of picture and another for the transmission of sound. Okay, in the television transmitter, the picture, the SSB technique are used, already we told, then for the sound another transmitter are used. So that's why the radio transmitters are used in television as a television transmitters also. The next radar transmitters in the defense side or other security side. In the radar systems, these type of transmitters are used using the pulsed radar and continuous wave radar. These techniques are you are studied in the next semester subjects, a radar communication subject in detail. So under the antenna, the transmitters are used in the radars, radar applications also. That's why the radar transmitters are employed here. Next, um, the sea and air navigations purposes, the navigation transmitters are used. This type of radio transmitters are navigational aids. The sea and air navigations are in the air force and navy applications. These transmitters are used. And the next one is the primary class. Under the primary class classifications, another one is the frequency range involved. So according to the frequency range involved, there are further five categories are there: long wave transmitters, medium wave transmitters, short wave transmitters, and VHF and UHF transmitters, and microwave transmitters. Okay, so long wave transmitters, medium wave transmitters, and short wave transmitters, and VHF and UHF transmitters, and micro. These five are categories under the frequency ranges. So but the particular frequency range treated as a the type of transmitter. Coming to the one by one, first of all, long wave transmitters. Okay, so these transmitters operates in the long waves or frequency below 300 kilohertz. Below 300 kilohertz applications or frequencies are transmit these type of transmitters, long wave transmitters. Such a long wave radio transmitters used for the broadcast temperate countries. Okay, since long wave radio signals travel along the surface of the earth, are rapidly attenuated for reasonably high signal strength at the distance receiving area. So these signals generally earth like this, one transmitter and receiver, but these waves just above, the signal transmits just above the earth, surface of the earth. These signals, long wave transmitters are transmits like this. Okay, you just take the television or satellite communication. The signals are transmitted over the space and reflects from the satellite. But long wave transmitters technique, the signals are passed over the earth. Okay, this is the earth. Okay, next, medium wave transmitters. This range from 550 kilohertz to 1650 kilohertz. For these frequency ranges are used for the medium wave transmitters. Next, short wave transmitters. These transmitters operate in the frequency 3 to 30 megahertz. It just little bit high. Short wave transmitters. The attenuation radio waves traveling from the transmitting aerial to the distance receiving aerial in ionospheric is small. So in these, the above the earth, ionospheric, tropospheric, these type of atmospheric regions are there. In that, the short wave transmitter sends the signals through the ionospheric region. Okay, in the long wave transmitter, the signals are over the earth. Okay, in that above, the medium wave transmitters are transmitted. Next, coming to the VHF and UHF transmitters, operates in the UHF and VHF range frequencies. It means the high frequencies, ultra high and very high frequencies above the 30 megahertz. These are considered as the UHF and VHF. So these are generally used for the FM broadcast. Okay, next microwave is the very high frequencies. Actually, microwave is the very high frequencies. So these transmitters operates in the micro frequency range about 1000 megahertz. Above the 1000 megahertz, that type of frequencies are called micro frequencies. That range frequencies to send that range frequencies using this microwave transmitters. These are generally used in the radars and microwave applications, etc. So these are the basic classification of the radio transmitters. Okay, this is about the once again I repeat, classification of the transmitter. Basically classified as three categories using three factors: modulation, service, and frequency range. So using the modulator AM, FM, and PM means amplitude frequency modulation, and pulse modulation. And then service involved, there are further six categories: radio broadcast, radio telephonic, radio telegraphic, television, radar, navigation, etc. Under the frequency range: long wave, short wave, medium wave, UHF, microwave. These are the different transmitters used in the our communications, radio communication. Okay, thank you.